Hey guys, welcome to Auckland, New Zealand. I'm on top of the SkyTower here with Mitchell. He's about to jump off this building today. He's going to do 630 feet jump and he'll be falling for 11 seconds. How are you feeling, Mitchell?
I'm hanging in there. You're watching the Fantastic Four. Okay, this is the moment of truth for Autumn and I. We are getting ready to leap off the 700-foot SkyTower. Supposedly it's the tallest tower definitely in New Zealand, and supposedly it's the tallest place you can jump off of in the Southern Hemisphere. Don't know if that's true, just saw that written somewhere. But your theory is what? If so-and-so can do it, we can too? Who's that?
If Beyonce can do it. Beyonce has jumped off this tower before. There's videos of her doing it on the internet, and I watched one and I thought, if Beyonce can do it, I can do
it. So there you go. Our mark is Beyonce, evidently. That's what we strive for. So we are nearing our destination, and we'll see you up top.
Mitchell, how are you feeling?
Huh?
How are you feeling?
Feeling a little jittery. My knees are just a little weak right now. Trying to keep the blood flowing. Don't want to pass out before I jump off.
I feel fine, actually. I'm a little nervous about that marshmallow still.
Are you scared yet?
Well, I just did a marshmallow rope about 5 minutes ago, and the marshmallow rope is not feeling good. I hope that doesn't come back up on the way down. Okay, stand together. Okay. Your last
Our
hug.
last? What, there's no last.
You know, before your actual
okay,
sky jumpers.
There we go. All right.
That's where you're going to go.
Alright.
Top right, okay, good. I'll get you to face that way. Hold on to the rail there. Both hands, please. Take a little step to your left, take a few more steps to your left side. Just swim the leggers, keep it moving, keep it moving. So now just like that. Your right hand up nice and high. Right hand now, right hand hold on to there. Left hand go underneath this thing. Alright, right hand hold on to here. Yep, that's the one. Get your toes. Don't keep holding on to the right one. That's the one. Like get both feet all the way up to the edge. Now this thing will lift you up nice and easy. Keep holding on. First to the big step out, okay? Okay? Sounds good? Get ready for the countdown. Alright, here comes Mitchell. 3, 2, 1, go! You alright, Autumn? Yeah. Nice. There we go.
Oh,
Mitchell,
yeah.
bro. Awesome. Enjoy it.
Awesome. It was awesome.
High five, man.
All right.
You killed it. Take a look up at the Sally. Just jumped off.
Oh, man. Okay, we just got done jumping off the SkyTower, and verdict?
I thought it was really fun. It was pretty scary at first because when you're like right before you're about to jump, you have to hang your toes over the edge and just stand there, and that was pretty disconcerting. But jumping itself wasn't all that bad.
Yeah, I thought it was the worst part is just the anticipation, and then getting hooked up, and then they like really ratchet up your you know, in the carabiner, and you can kind of feel things are just going to happen whether you want them to or not, and you sort of jump out and then you sort of get pulled out at the same time. So it was great. It was a lot of fun. I'm glad we did it. Any other last comments?
I would do it again. I would do it all over again. It was really fun.
So we're thinking about later on doing a canyon swing, which is where you jump down and then swing out over a canyon. Would be out in Queenstown. So we'll see if we do that or not, but maybe this gives us a little taste of of that. So anyway, we're gonna wrap up the video. Again, thanks for watching. We really appreciate you watching the videos. We have a lot more coming your way. So if you aren't a subscriber, feel free to hit that subscribe button. We always appreciate the thumbs up, so give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and comment below. Maybe tell us your scariest thing you've ever done. This ranks up there for me. How about you?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time on the Fantastic Four. Bye.